Wagwan me YouTube fans, man, welcome back to another video. Well, today your boy will be cooking up for you some Crown Royal Infused Salmon in the oven. You know what I mean? It off the chain, people. I can't wait to dash it down, make you guys see it. You know what I mean? So without no further ado, I have my salmon already washed, already with some vinegar and ready. So guess what? See it ya right here, so now. Alright my people, so see it here right here, so we have our salmon over here, our ingredients, you know what I mean? We have the Zazan Tropical right here. This is a marinade. Yes, I'm going to use it to marinate, just to, you know what I mean, spice up the thing. Over here we have some all-purpose seasoning. Over here we have some garlic powder. We have some paprika, you know what I mean, the paprika get a good color. You know what I mean, we have the OB seasoning. And right here we have the good old Crown Royal vanilla. And this is the lemon, you know what I mean, for the good old nice garnish on top. So yes guys, I'm going to position this camera now so you guys can see what's going down in the kitchen. Or I might have to just hold it and just do my thing so you guys can see what's going on. So without no further ado, and I'm gonna give you some freestyle season, okay? No measurement, you know what I mean? Because a fish, you know what I mean? You know, if you really go too deep with your season. So if you can see, yes, don't know, yes, you're supposed to can see. So this is the Maggi season up, all purpose. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know what I mean? I know sometimes you guys like when, and it's a very big piece of salmon, so you have to make sure you season it real good. So let me go ahead and open the garlic powder. So that's the garlic powder. Alright, so don't afraid to season your salmon, man. Don't afraid to season your salmon. So alright, so we're gonna go in now with the paprika. Yes, I don't have no camera personnel today, so I have to be holding my camera myself. Alright, so we're going over the obey. Alright, and this now you're gonna just go ahead and just massage him in. You know what I mean? Massaging your seasoning. As I say, it's a very thick piece of salmon, so don't afraid to season your salmon. Don't scare. Alright, so this is the Zazan. Okay? Yes, this is the Zazan. So I'm going to go ahead now and add my Zazan. And as I said before, this is a marinade. You know what I mean? So we're just going to go ahead and pour it on top. Yes. So my hands is already clean, but I'm still going to go ahead and wash my hands. Yes, so we're going to go ahead now and you know what I mean, just massage it in, massaging the seasoning. You know what I mean, massaging the seasoning. Guys, this gonna be good. When I say this gonna be good, this gonna be super good. I had a piece of salmon the other day when it was Saturday. Oh Lord, that was a hot mess. You know what I mean? It was a hot mess. It weren't seasoned. All the man put on the salmon was just salt and pepper. So I am here to show him that your salmon should be seasoned, because if you don't season your food, it's gonna taste like crap. So you have to season your food. You have to season your food, guys. So now we're gonna add the key ingredients. Okay? That's it right there. You have to add your vanilla flavored Crown Royal. This is what gonna give it that kick. As I say, I gotta hold the camera and try to do this. Let me kind of push this up some more. Hold on. Alright, my people, welcome back. So now I got my Crown Royal open. So now I'm going to add my Crown Royal all over my salmon. All over my salmon, you know what I mean? Soak it in. I'm going to leave a little bit to add when it's almost baked. So I'm going to leave a little bit so just to add more moisture to your salmon. So that's the seasoning process, guys. You see the color of it already, so you just can imagine what it's going to look like when it's finished. And this is a whole slab of salmon weighing maybe about, I would say about 2 pounds. About 2 pounds or maybe more. Okay? So I ain't gonna add the lemon just yet. I'm gonna wait until halfway in. I add my lemon on top. But for now, I'm gonna put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. Okay? So stick and stay with me, guys, for this magnificent meal. Alright, guys, so welcome back. So I'm going to place it now in the oven. As I said, I'm using basically one hand to cook because I got one hand with the camera. So I'm basically using one hand to cook. So hopefully it don't turn over. Alright. So I'm going to place in the oven. Alright. So we'll be right back. So we're going to give that a good 20 minutes. And then we'll check in and show you what's going on. We'll be right back. Alright, guys. So you see? Look at the salmon, and it is about 85% done. It's not done as yet. You know what I mean? I never want to bake my garnish of my lemon on it right through, so I take it out at an 80% stage to put my lemon on it. So what I'm going to do now is insert it now back in the oven and give it a little bit more of that vanilla Crown Royal infused, you know what I mean, just to keep it moist. It is already moist, but because I'm going to stick it back in the oven, I'm just going to go ahead again with some more of that vanilla Crown Royal. I tell you, it's going to be awesome. This salmon recipe is epic, you know what I mean. I can't wait to dig into this with some rice and peas. I got some, listen, I got some rice and gungo to serve up with this, guys. It's gonna be epic. When I say it's gonna be epic, it's gonna be epic. And guess what? You all gonna be a part of it. You know what I mean? So stick and stay with me. Yes, guys, so as I said, we're just gonna go in with now with some more the Crown Royal, you know what I mean, just to keep him moist, you know what I mean. This one gonna be a bomb. Yes. So all this is on that salmon. I tell you, it gonna be a bomb, guys. Try this and thank me later. What I say you must do, try it and thank me later. Okay? Comment in the comment section about this salmon right here. This is the first I've ever seen anything like this. I promise. So stick and stay for the finished dish. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back, man. So now we have the finished salmon. Yes, guys, look at it. Look at the texture of it. Looking wonderful, don't it? Yes, man, looking wonderful. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and plate it up so you guys can see and dig in it, because you know I'm my own, so do it for myself. So you know what I mean, so you will see what's going on. So just stick and stay again, don't move. Yes, my people, welcome back. So that's it, my finished salmon dish. And this salmon is an infused version with Crown Royal vanilla flavor. You know what I mean? I can't wait, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig in this salmon right here. You know what I mean? I can't wait. But what I'm about to do is get the camera set up so I can hold the plate with one hand and then dig in and let you guys know exactly how it tastes and give you my feedback on it. And guys, I need you guys to try this, okay? I need you, because I know this one is off the chain. So you all need run to the store, get some salmon and try this one out. And I mean, you can infuse it with whatever alcoholic beverage of your choice, you know what I mean? You don't have to infuse it with the one that I use, you know what I mean? Yes, and drop in the comment section, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think about the whole presentation, and you know what I mean? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Don't be a mommy in the comment section. Just talk to me, let me know what's going on, you know what I mean? What you think about this dish? If it's something that you try, if it is something that you want to taste, you know what I mean? Because trust me, it look fantastic. As I said, I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig into it. So I know this one gonna be a bomb. Okay? So in another second or two, I'm gonna flip the camera and then you guys see me dig into it and give you guys my feedback on it. Stick and stay. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is my finished dish. As I tell you, I'm so excited. Can't wait to dig into him. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to taste it. Okay? Let me put this right on top of here. Very moist. Yes guys, you can taste the crown in them. The crown royal, you can taste it. Not too strong. Maybe I should apply some more. But you know what I mean? Don't want to be an alcoholic. But it's very good. That's a very good and well seasoned. Well seasoned. Going with some of the rice. Wonderful, guys. It's good. Ladies, if you try this, Obi ain't going nowhere. You're gonna be homebound. When I say it's good, it's good. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, please hit that subscription button and hit that post notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be notified. So stick and stay on the channel for this one and any other of my amazing recipes. You know what I mean? Again, thank you for watching, family. We are all family over here. Peace.